Hey there, Nathan LeClaire here, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit today about 100 Brushes, a new project I've been working on that I'm very excited about, and who has a vision to be the intelligent sampler for everything. Some of you might know me from the hackathon and just seeing me around. I'm at .pem on Twitter. What I'm interested in is making a management plane where users can connect their GPU into the cluster, use sort of a standardized interface to either use their GPUs, bring their own GPUs, or use our GPUs. Things like training your own models on Dreambooth require specialized and larger hardware, which we could provide as sort of the actual productizer area of the business where we make money, onto the demo. I've designed it so that you can really get snappy stuff. Just modify the prompt and things will just kind of start rendering. And I find that this is a really nice workflow because a lot of the time you want to just be moving things around in the prompt and doing prompt craft. I have automatic upscaling, so if I click on a picture here, it will go off and upscale it, and then when this finishes upscaling, now we'll have the upscaled version of the picture, and of course you can go off and download that and that kind of thing if you want to. You can also favorite these pictures and keep them in collections, so that's an area that I really want to explore more. But really powerful thing in the future is going to be custom models. My experience in DevOps could really help create something very special for connecting a bunch of user GPUs to the control plane, and then also offering as a paid service bursty or like larger GPUs. And likewise, a great example of when they would need that is Dreambooth. So let's see if we can go and render me through the years. And with this custom model, I'm currently just running this in the cloud on GPUs, but you could run it anywhere. And so I think there's nothing quite like your own custom fine-tuned models. It really makes what is already a very addicting thing just that much more addicting. And so there I am in Alamo Square Park, where hopefully I will be with HF0. And I think that it's going to be an insanely hot area where people are going to be very happy to pay because, again, that takes a little more fine tuning and expertise of someone looking after it, and it's just ready to go. So I think custom models are going to be a big thing that I intend to use as a beachhead with an app like this while I build out the greater sampler for everything. So it's very inspired by the fact that Stable Diffusion will go and pull things out of latent space. And I sort of started thinking a lot about how there's many areas where that type of thing could be possible. I spend a lot of time in sales and Honeycomb. One of the things that kept coming up over and over and over was they wanted a way to intelligently sample what was out there in the search space. And so I think it's very exciting that there would be clusters of things connected to the 100 brushes control plane. And so it could go fire off probes and do that kind of thing, Linux eBPF probes, as well as go and query systems and use this kind of text side of the house that we have in AI to go retrieve data and become the intelligent sampler for everything.